Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best robotic pool cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Plecco S1 cordless robotic pool cleaner by Talisbo. This budget-friendly option is perfect for anyone looking to keep their above-ground pool clean without breaking the bank. It features dual high-performance motors and an optimized flow design, providing strong suction to pick up dirt, debris, and leaves from your pool floor. Plus, with its lightweight design, at only 6.4 pounds, it's incredibly easy to lift out and recharge. The Plecco S1 offers up to 75 to 80 minutes of runtime on a single charge, making it ideal for pools up to 645 square feet. The auto parking feature is a great touch. It docks itself near the pool edge when the battery runs low, saving you the hassle of retrieving it manually. Its large 2.5L filter basket reduces the frequency of emptying, making maintenance a breeze. While it's not suitable for larger or more complex pool shapes, it's a fantastic entry-level cleaner for small above-ground pools. The biggest draw here is the price. At just $99.99, it's hard to beat the value this cleaner offers. However, its limited runtime and modest cleaning capabilities may not satisfy users with larger pools or heavier debris loads. If simplicity and affordability are your priorities, the Plecco S1 is worth considering. At number 4, we have the cordless robotic pool cleaner by HENISE. This mid-range cleaner is packed with features for both in-ground and above-ground pools. Powered by a 9,000 mAh high-capacity battery, it delivers an impressive 150 minutes of runtime, making it suitable for pools up to 2,200 square feet. Its dual brushes and 40-watt motor provides strong suction, effectively picking up sand, leaves, and particles while enhancing filtration efficiency by 50%. What sets the HENISE cleaner apart is its wireless convenience and IPX8 waterproof design. It's fully automatic and starts with just one press of a button, planning its cleaning path intelligently to save time and effort. The lightweight, portable design makes it easy to handle, and the corrosion-resistant ABS shell ensures durability over the long term. While it doesn't have advanced navigation features, its performance is reliable for large pools. Priced at $179.99, this cleaner offers excellent value for users with medium to large pools, though its lack of wall climbing capability might limit its appeal for more complex pool shapes. If you're looking for a long-lasting, easy-to-use cleaner for general pool maintenance, the HENISE robotic pool cleaner is a solid choice. Coming in at number 3 is the BUBOT 300P Pool Vacuum by BUBOT. This cleaner is a powerhouse for above-ground pools, boasting superior suction performance powered by Blue Hole technology. It's 4 times more efficient on leaves and 7.5 times better at capturing debris compared to standard models. The DirtLock Tech 2.0 ensures no mess or spills when lifting the cleaner out of the pool, making post-cleaning maintenance hassle-free. With a runtime of 90 minutes, the BUBOT 300P is perfect for pools up to 850 square feet. Smart navigation sensors help it optimize coverage, and the auto parking feature ensures it's easy to retrieve when the battery runs low. The 4-color LED display is a thoughtful touch, keeping users informed on the cleaner status in real time. Plus, its compact cordless design means you won't have to deal with tangled wires or bulky hoses. At $229.99, the BUBOT 300P strikes a great balance between price and performance, offering advanced cleaning technologies for small to medium-sized pools. However, it's limited to flat surfaces and doesn't handle walls or water lines, which may be a drawback for users with more complex pool shapes. If you're looking for an efficient cleaner for routine maintenance, this is a fantastic option. At number 2, we have the Beta SE solar-powered pool skimmer cleaner. This innovative cleaner focuses on surface cleaning, removing leaves, dust, pollen, and pet hair from your pool water. Its solar-powered design means no cords or batteries, and it can operate continuously for up to 30 hours, even in cloudy conditions, thanks to its efficient aquadynamics design and swift recharge time. The BUBOT SE is equipped with patented salt-chlorine-tolerant motors, making it suitable for both freshwater and saltwater pools. Its large, fine mesh debris basket is easy to empty without removing the cleaner from the pool, and the ultrasonic radar ensures it avoids obstacles for comprehensive coverage. While it doesn't clean pool floors or walls, it's perfect for keeping your pool water pristine and debris-free. Though the price is unavailable, the BUBOT SE is an excellent choice for pool owners who prioritize surface cleaning and eco-friendly technology. Its solar-powered operation and minimal maintenance requirements make it a standout option. However, its limited functionality might not make it suitable for users seeking a more versatile cleaner. And finally, at number 1, we have the Wybot C1 Pool Robot Vacuum. This premium cleaner is packed with advanced features, making it the ultimate choice for in-ground pools. Its 4-in-1 design handles floors, walls, water lines, and stairs effortlessly, powered by triple motors that boost climbing power to tackle 45-degree slopes. The upgraded suction system lifts debris, sand, leaves, and algae, while dual PVC brushes ensure a thorough scrub. The Wybot C1 features Smart Navigation 3.0, allowing users to customize routes via its app or activate Auto Smart Mode for 100% coverage. With a runtime of 120 to 150 minutes on a single charge, it's ideal for pools up to 1,614 square feet. The large filter basket with top-loading design makes maintenance easy, and the unit's obstacle avoidance ensures uninterrupted cleaning. Backed by a 24-month warranty and lifetime technical support, this cleaner offers peace of mind. Priced at $459.99, the Wybot C1 is a significant investment, but its performance and versatility justify the cost for pool owners who demand the best. If you're looking for a cleaner that can handle every aspect of pool maintenance, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.